So your essay is due in 6 hours' time and you haven't done a damn thing. So what's the first thing we need to do? Get writing, right? Wrong. First thing we do, check the map. Okay, to complete our assignment, we're going to be spending an awful lot of time here. The spare room. 2.5 square meters of intrigue, chaos, and if you don't know what you're doing, potential death. Okay, let's take a look. Bland white walls, clutter, office equipment. At first glance, this extreme domestic environment seems quite tame, but don't be fooled, there are plenty of pitfalls in here, even for the most extreme domestic explorer. Okay, so we're in. Let's see what we can see. Whoa. Oh. Holy sardine! Look at that. Completely missed that. Hoover pipe. One misplaced step and this little brute can cause a nasty fall. So go steady. Look here. See? The spare room is typically very cluttered and messy, can hide all sorts of perils. This desk leg, made of pine, solid, very sturdy. I heard about a Royal Marine Commando who was in his auntie's spare room, stubbed his toe on one of these bad boys, fell over, shattered his pelvis, and died of dehydration. If that happens, then the word deadline takes on a whole new meaning. So now we're aware of some of the perils that are around us. We can look ahead to the hours of arduous academic writing that we have to tackle. It's absolutely imperative that we keep our energy levels up. Got a little tip about that. This Hoover pipe, although a dangerous trip hazard, is also packed full of protein. No, it's not good, but I'll keep my energy levels up, and that's important. We really have to get writing soon if we're going to have any chance of meeting that deadline. Let's see if we can find anything else in here that'll help us. Draw in these nooks and crannies. Often a treasure trove. Lots and lots of pens, but I'm not writing by hand. And also these bad boys, incredibly dangerous. Oh wait, we've got another drawer. Just hello, what's this? Look at this. Bingo. Now you'll find one of these little beauties in many spare rooms. A laptop computer. This is going to be my vehicle for writing that assignment. Furthermore, it's also a great source of protein. Not good. If anything, even worse than the Hoover pipe. It gives me all important calories. Okay, things really starting to look up. I'm all set up here at the desk with my laptop. Time to get writing, yes? No, there are dangers around every corner in here, we already know that. So before I get writing, let's use this pillowcase. The most sensible thing to do before I get started is to have a piss into it. There we go. Okay, that should work. A little trick I learned from my scout leader when I was 6. And now I'm ready to get writing my essay. Let's do it. One of the biggest killers here in the spare room is boredom. It can sneak up on you. Before you know it, bang, it's got you in its grips and it's incredibly hard to shake free. Now I'm at real risk here of suffering what's known as tedium delirium. You can feel like you're on track, but then suddenly your mind's elsewhere and you're doing all sorts of crazy things, you've got no idea why. I need to knuckle down, beat back the boredom. Okay,
that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that funk, that sweet, that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me the funk, that sweet, funky stuff. That stuff, that funk, that sweet, that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that funk, that sweet, that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me the stuff, that sweet, funky stuff.
No. Oh my word, look at this, it happened. The tedium delirium really had its teeth in there, and look, I've lost 2 hours of time. The deadline is in 45 minutes and I haven't written a single word yet. It looks like my situation couldn't really get much worse. I need to write, right? Righting my wrongs, right? Wrong. I've just spent 2 hours dancing around. As a result, I've sweated out over a litre of bodily fluid. There's no way this essay is getting written if I'm dehydrated. And luckily, while I was dancing around, I found this under the desk. Orange juice. Looks delicious and refreshing, but I've no idea where it's been. It's not a risk that I'm willing to take. Also, I don't need to, because I've got this pillowcase. Okay, so there's plenty of fluid in here from earlier. Let's squeeze it out. No, yeah. Oh. Wow, that really is something. My own urine has really given me the boost I need to get this job done. 8,000 words in 45 minutes might sound like a tall order, but I've got a handy hint. Let's get it done. Quite simple, really. Just type a few select words. There we go. Hit send on the email, and you're done. Boom. With that little trick, you never need to worry about any assignments ever again. We've still got 38 minutes on the timer before the deadline. Wow, pretty good going. Let's phone the wife, tell her of our success. Oh, hello darling. It's me, Boar Grills, extreme domestic survivor. Your husband. Well, I am still technically the husband until the paperwork has gone through, darling. No, I haven't managed to go to the solicitor. I've been incredibly busy. I've had a university assignment to hand in, darling. You've got 8,000 words that I've had to take care of, and you've got no idea what I've been through. Tripped over the Hoover pipe. Yeah? Have I done with the yes, I have drank my own piss from the pillowcase. I'm sorry. I know there was orange juice in the fridge. I know. I'm sorry, darling. Look, just come home. And we'll sort all this out. I mean, you know how extreme the kitchen is as a domestic environment. The cupboards are bare, and unless you want to eat part of the shelving units, there's nothing in for dinner. So I was wondering if you could pick something up. You're not coming home tonight. Again. You're staying at Steve's? Okay, but there's no need to shout. You've stayed at Steve's the last 3 nights now. It's just... Right, listen, I just hung up. She's the most deadly and dangerous of all creatures that you will encounter in the extreme domestic environment is the wife. Gonna finish there.